What's good, YouTube? It's Rob back with another video. I have here a couple of bands for my Galaxy Watch. One from Katrice, which is like a metal band with a magnetic clip. And I have this generic one that's being sold under a company called Popo Trading or Pop Trading. But both of these bands are nice replacement bands for the Galaxy Watch. And I'm going to go ahead and get them unboxed and show you how they look on the watch itself. And the Katrice. Get some pins in there also, which is real nice. Get some extra pins. Can always use extra pins. All right, got my watch ready. So let's test them out. Now this 22mm silicone breathable replacement strap is being sold by Pop Trading or Popo Trading. And like I said, this is pretty much compatible with the Gear 3, the Frontier, and you can even do Moto 360 2nd Gen with this watch band. Very comfortable. The holes help reduce the weight, and what's more, it help improve the ventilation and make it a more breathable band. Has those quick, easy release pins on the back, and it does have the lugs on both sides, which makes it easy to to get on and off. You can get these in a variety of colors. I got the all black with the black interior. You can get it with the gray and black. You can also get a lime green on the inside with the black. They have a royal blue outside with the white interior. And then they have like a gray with a lime green and a white with a black interior. And again, this particular one is $9.83. They're all pretty much the same price. I think there might be a penny difference in a couple of them, but that's neither here nor there. Again, this is the black on black silicone breathable replacement strap, and it's sold by Popo Trading. I'll leave the links and everything to this down below. Okay, magnetic clasps for the watch. You can set the tightness of however you want it. Real comfortable and very light on the wrist. Now this Katrice band cost about $10.88. They do have a silver one, a sterling silver one, that's $12.88, and a gold one that is $10.88. It is 22mm. This does work for the Galaxy Watch. It does work for the Frontier and the Classic. It's easy install. It does have the pin and tuck closure. Has a real nice clean fit to it. Loosen it, just slide the wrist out. But it gives you an idea of how it is. Has a clean fit, very elegant material, very dense. And again, you can get this for $10.88. I'll leave the links and everything down below. This watch band from Katrice. Well, that pretty much does it for these two watch bands from Katrice. And the other one is a more of a generic brand that's being sold under the Popo Trader name. I'm gonna have everything down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. And I catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.